McGuire back at the point. Shot save made by Din. So quick start for the Blizzard here in the third period. They get the first shot on goal. They scored a couple of goals late in the second to take that 5-3 lead. They have going into the third period. Puck goes up in the air high, comes down in the corner, stays in play, played back towards the point, gets by everybody. McGuire's got to go back to pick it up in his own end. Pinkson pitching in at the blue line, knocks the puck loose. Campbell in looking for it. McGuire has it. Up to Toole. And that goes out of play over the far side of the stadium. Dumped in wide of the goal. Liam Kelly has it. Cleary dumped it in. Din played it hard off the glass, and that'll get out past Cleary, and he's got to hustle and get back into his own end. Rogers in forechecking him. Over to King. Puck comes loose. Up along the boards and out down the right side. Liam Kelly. Kelly draws it back, gets a shot. Din has a quick look over his left shoulder but keeps it out. Scrum down just outside the impact players area. Murray gets pinned to the boards. Stamp came in and took the puck for the Blizzard. Stamp back towards the blue line. Can't get it back in deep. Klein will play it out. Badcock. That's tipped in by Snow. James Stamp will hold it in. Along the near boards. It's down for Winter. Winter threw it out. Stamp couldn't turn and shoot. Marshall's got it. Fan on the pass. Try and dump it into the corner. And Marshall does a good job to get back. Pinkson had snuck in behind the Blizzard defense. Pinkson knocked it down. Here's Stamp. Nobody home there for the Blizzard as they were making a line change. Bedford stole that pass away from Klein. Murray off the boards and out as the Blizzard complete that line change. Din off the boards. Blizzard will bring it in down in the corner. Around behind the goal. It'll be kept in. The shot stopped by Din, goes up and out of play as Kyle Garland let one go from the left point. 16:36 to go, third period. 5-3 for the Blizzard. Rowe down in the corner. Carter bound, hit it knocked away from him. shot by Miles Bedford went off a stick wide. McGuire's got it back at the right point, plays it down into the corner and all the way around to the other side. Garland pinching in, holds it in. Go back and forth, side to side. Sahajapal out in front, hopped over his stick. Garland's got it. Garland with a shot save made by Din. Puck was up in the air and cleared out. Touched by a high stick. That's the reason for the whistle. The faceoff will stay in the impact zone. That one off Delaney and around behind the goal. Campbell with it for the impact. Knocked down by Lovelace. And a little bit of a collision out at the blue line. King will clear it back in. Blizzard beginning to take control of this one. All the play down to our right here in the third period. No scoring yet in the third. Just over 5 minutes gone. Cash Corbett clears it in. Pinkston going in to chase. Pinkston gets to it first. Nobody there for the impact. Taken away by Hawkins. Fan on the pass attempt. Corbett has it knocked off his stick as he tried to cut in front. Toole. 1-on-2 shot. Rang it off the goal post. Great shot by Landon Toole. He hit that right goal post, beat the goaltender. Mulrooney. To Rogers. Rogers to center. Gets it in. Hurley shot wide of the goals. He was looking short side. Kept in by Sims. Rogers in there looking for it for the impact. It's kicked up towards the blue line and finally out into center it comes. Murray will bring it back in. Caden Murray. Badcock rang it around the boards. Now he's going to race for it. Andrews gets to it first for the impact. Leaves it for Murray. He's bumped off the puck. And Rogers has it. Just avoids a hit. Over to Sims. Sims backhands it down into the Blizzard end. Hurley couldn't come up with it. Owen Wright off the boards, down the ice, rolling puck. It's going to go right on goal. That'll negate the icing. Andrews able to get it out, but no further than center. Brought right back in again by Winter. Rogers will pick it up over in the far boards. He gets knocked down. Give him a little rough ride over there, and it's going to be a penalty. And they're going to call boarding. So opportunity here for the Impact, trailing by one to get back, or sorry, trailing by two to get to within one as they go on the power play. Face off to the left of Cruz Lachlan in goal for the Blizzard. Shot from the point by Rowe, gloved by Lachlan. No traffic in front, saw that all the way. Just 6 seconds run off the penalty clock. Right from the face-off, a shot by Corbett. Another save by Lachlan. That took 4 seconds off the clock. Blizzard win the faceoff, and that'll allow them to send it down the length of the ice, roll back behind his goal. Winter was on him. Winter causing trouble for the impact. Now Rowe has it. Rowe winding up. Nice pass off the boards, looking for Pinkson. Pinkson pokes it to himself. Pinkson turns, fires it over the top of the goal. Pinkson's got it again down low. Trying to feed it out in front. Comes back at the point just past Rowe. Couldn't hold it in. Blizzard will change up their penalty killers. Right on the tape of Pinkson. He'll set up now inside the Blizzard zone. Bound. Bad pass for Rowe. And that will allow the Blizzard to clear it out and bring it down the ice. Shot by Bedford. Din had to come up with a good save. Short-handed. Bedford skates back, steals it. And the Impact will go back into their own end again. 38 seconds to go in the power play. Rowe pass for Hurley. He's cut off at the pass. Cleared right in on the goaltender once more. That pass almost stolen by Bedford. That would have been trouble. 10 seconds to go. Hurley straight up the ice. Hurley now moves to the right side in over the blue line. Hurley all alone on this rush. Now he gets some help. Comes back to the point. Mulrooney. Penalty is over. We are at even strength with just under 11 minutes to go here in the third. Well, the Impact unable to take advantage of that power play. Hawkins. Shot. Toole was trying to catch up here on the right side. Hawkins elected to shoot it. Easy save for the Impact goaltender. Hurley and King battling at center. Klein comes in to help out. Gets it down deep. He'll go into forecheck against Marshall. Loveless back into the corner. Klein knocked it off his stick, but the Blizzard will bring it out. Cross ice pass looking for Loveless. A little bit too far for him. Back at the point. Marshall with a shot. It's redirected over the top of the goal. Down into the corner. Hurley had it taken away. Rogers gets it and gets it out to center and down towards the Blizzard blue line. Impact will change. Hawkins. That hit a skate in front and it comes right back to Hawkins. Loveless couldn't pull the trigger. And it comes out to center. Dumped right back in again. And Delaney setting up behind his own goal. And he's going to be forced back by Owen Wright. Nowhere to go, and Delaney in a world of trouble back there. Keeps going. Now he'll move it to some safety and a good outlet pass. Albert. Couldn't get away. Mark Albert. Blizzard cleared out to center once again. Puck goes up in the air. Kelly's got it. Liam Kelly in over the blue line. Kelly cutting into the middle. Kelly with a shot. Din made the save. Puck goes into the corner. Blizzard are on it again. Players pile into the corner. Puck squirts loose over to the far side. Chase Welland. Back to Garland. Garland with a shot. Went off a stick. Trickles wide of the goal. Andrews just chips it along the boards. And again, Blizzard hold it in. Comes into the crease. Cleared to the boards. McGuire got a stick there first. Now it'll come out and down the ice. McGuire hustling back into his own end to pick it up. 8 minutes to go here in the third. 2-goal lead for the East Coast Blizzard. Winter, snapshot. That was blocked by Bowen. Behind the goal, Murray will pick it up back there. Caden Murray has a look around. And really nowhere near anybody. That'll be an icing call against the Impact. 7:40 to go, third period. Shots on goal now, 41-22. And Mitchell Dinh has come to the players' bench. He's got an issue, like with his right hand. But whatever it is, doesn't seem to be too serious. He's gone back into the goal. Now, Dinh is still saying he's got a... I'm not sure what's happening. He's doing a lot of pointing and gesturing, but spoke to the referee, and play will continue as the puck was dropped. Snow stepped on the puck momentarily. Impact player knocked down in front of the goal. Now we've got a scrum. Everybody knocked down. That was Winter was knocked into the goaltender. Got Snow and Winter out there playing for the Blizzard. Seems appropriate. Again, the Impact a little caught up in each other in their own end. Have to just clear it out, dump right back in. Dinh's got it. And he's going to cover it up. And as he does, he's going to go over and continue that conversation with the referee. I'm not sure if something may have happened, that big collision in the crease, he shaken up, or an equipment problem, but conversation, but nothing happening. Corbett lifts it high, and that's going to be too high. Up into the ceiling here at the Windsor Stadium. And Dinh has again come, looks like Dinh is going to come out of the game. Whatever the issue was, he can't continue. So goaltender now is Adam Hedges in goal for the Impact. Something with his right hand wasn't quite right with Mitchell Dinh, and he has gone to the dressing room. Delaney throws it to an open wing down the ice. Nolan Cleary back to get it. Cleary steps around Campbell smartly to the blue line. Shot off the stick of Delaney. That'll go into the mesh, out of play in behind Adam Hedges, who's now in goal for the Impact. Time winding down, 6:06 to go in the third. Hawkins to take the face-off against Hurley. Hawkins wins it. Comes back to McGuire. McGuire wrists it towards the goal. Hedges made the first save, but the rebound was there and knocked home by the Blizzard. They make it 6-3, and that might be all it's going to take. I believe that was Ryan Lovelace over that left post who came up with that loose puck. You could tell Hedges didn't see that shot coming in till the last second. He got the glove on it but couldn't hold on to it. And it lay there, and Lovelace just had to tap it home. Hurley down into the corner. Rogers in looking for it. Rogers has got it. Knocked off his stick. McGuire lays it back into the corner. Rogers waiting for it there. He's pinned against the boards. 5.5 to go here in the third. Here's Lovelace again. Gets him behind the defense. Scores. And if his last goal didn't end it, surely that one did. 7-3. Just got to step in behind the Impact defense, and that's all it took. Ryan Lovelace with back-to-back goals. And I'm guessing it must have been an equipment thing for Mitchell Dinh because he is back in the goal. There's McGuire. And the Blizzard will send it in behind the goal. Dinh out to play it up around the boards. That hit the referee. Shot came in from a sharp angle wide. Will be held in here at the near point by McGuire. Down into the corner. Right into the far corner. Chase Welland battling in there with Mulrooney. Gets it back to the point. Garland with a shot. Dinh's got that in the trapper and holds on. 4:44 go here in the third period. This game was tied at 3 at one point. It was a very competitive game, but the Blizzard have blown it open here in the third period. And scored a couple of late goals in the second to make it 5-3, and have added 2 more here in the third. And they are in looking for more. Winter with a shot. That did not get through. It hit a couple of players in front. Bound has it. Bound off the boards, trying to go get it himself. Knocked away from him by Winter. Pinkson and Snow went into the corner. Rowe has it. That pass knocked down by Liam Marshall. Just nothing happening for the Impact here in the third period. He'll dump it out and it'll get dumped back in again. That's pretty much how it's gone. And then the Blizzard get on the forecheck. Campbell to Corbett. Nowhere to go. Rowe leaves it back behind his goal for Bound. Bound tried that Karam pass off the boards, but that was picked off easily. Just under 3.5 left. Alex Rowe will take it from Mitchell Dinh. Go to an open wing, just gets it out. King will bring it right back in again. Bedford in on the forecheck. Coming away with it is Bound. Gets to center and just cut off there, and down goes Carter Bound. Down goes Bound. Delayed offside against the Blizzard, so the Impact will control it. Blizzard tag up. Rowe to Pinkson, so that's to Reed. 18, not 19, and off of Klein. The puck goes into the mesh down in the corner to our left. Faceoff will come. Well, they're going to keep it inside. Say went off a Blizzard stick. It was redirected. 2:34 to go, third period. brought in offside. 2:14 to go. Hawkins will skate it out over the blue line, takes it to the boards, goes in behind the goal. Loveless inside his own blue line, good pass for Hawkins. Up ahead to Toole. Toole's got a step, cuts in. Shot save made by Din. He was looking far side, didn't get the right pad down. Long shot in from well out. Nobody in front at all. Easy save for Mitchell Din. Down to just over 1 minute to go as this one works its way to an inevitable finish right now. Shots on goal are 47-22. 7-3 is the score. It'll roll right down to Lachlan, who'll hold on to it. Snow. Back to Loveless. Hurley was in looking for it in the corner. Turnaround shot goes wide of the goal. Hurley's got it. Gets a little bump. Got a penalty coming up. Referee out at center. Rob Canning has spotted something in behind the goal. And players got their sticks engaged. And it's going to be Luke Hurley gone to the penalty box for the impact. And it is a slashing call. Just under 30 seconds to go. Blizzard on a power play in the final seconds of this one. Puck bounces off a stick, comes to the near boards. Campbell pins his man to the board. Snow comes up with the loose puck across in front, and Mulrooney got back defensively to knock the Blizzard player off the puck. Back to the point it comes, and that'll do it. Now with just a couple of seconds left to go. Game comes to an end. 7-3 is the final for the Blizzard. Final shots on goal, 47-24. And that will do it for us this evening. Good night, everyone.